okay? You gonna throw some t-shirts and half flavors? No? Okay, thank you. Yeah, still nonchalantly, no. Can we talk about this, or did you already make up your mind? No. Okay. Fired. Here it comes. Shelby goes. Shelby back to everything. Shelby driving backwards. Shelby driving backwards. Look at that door on Shelby's car. It's a battle for that. I wouldn't want to get hit the ground door by Danny. No. Got before in the 44, kicked out on the 21, the full burnt, bull down, went on the 3 cars, got before in the 44, like Chisago trying to get it fired up. Oh, kicked out on the 44, hold on, Joey. Shelby, back it up! Don't break your stick! No! Keep it going, Shelby! Keep it running, Shelby. Don't break your stick, 65. Don't do it! One more, Danny! That's it! That's it. Shelby had enough. Danny looked like he broke something on that rear end. There was something dragging there.
If Shelby would have known that Danny was broken,
yeah,
maybe he would have said, you know.
First place going to be going to 02 with Danny Crow. He's walking away with